Welcome back. In this video, let's look at how to use the range function in Python lists. Let's say you want to create a list of numbers between 0 and 100. Typically, the way of creating lists is by using square brackets and adding all the elements separated by commas between those square brackets. However, if you have hundreds of elements, it's going to take a very long time to create such big lists. So Python has this range function that can make life easier for you. So the way you use the range function to create lists is as follows. Let's say you have a list B, which is a list of numbers that goes between 0 and 100. So here you can use the range function. So the way a range function works is as follows. So you use the keyword range, and then you use round brackets, and then you give a starting number, and then you give an ending number. And these two are separated by commas, and basically here the number that you enter for start is inclusive and the number that you use for end is exclusive. So basically, if you want numbers between 0 and 100, you use 0, and then for end you use 101. So here if you want a list between 0 and 100, you use range, you put 0, and then you put 101. So now let's print out list B by using the print command. By the way, list B, when you use the range function, is actually a Python object, and if you want to convert that into a list, you actually use the list command. So when you print this out now, so here you can see that by using just 2 lines of code and without having to type numbers between 0 and 100, we can create a big list of numbers between 0 and 100. So this is how Python range function works within lists.